He has dressed as a policeman. Ashik of pre-KG. Man Kurka Arutla. Next Feroz Ali. First we call upon Lasya Wesleyan of LKG. Lasya Wesleyan of LKG. She has dressed as a Kamaraj in Republic Day function. Next we call upon Pragadishwari of LKG. She is dressed as a Indira Gandhi. Call upon Aditi of LKG. She is dressed as a Anna Teresa. Now we have Vaishnavi on the stage. Aditi of LKG. She dressed as a Anna Teresa in Republic Day function. Next we call upon Arpit. Next I want to call upon Arman Sharif of LKG of DSL Education School. He has dressed as a Mahakavi Bharatiyar. Arman Sharif, he has dressed as a Mahakavi Bharatiyar. LKG Karthik Raj on the stage. He has dressed as a policeman. Next I call upon Likhi Raghav of LKG. He has dressed as a collector in Republic Day function. Mithran has dressed as a policeman. Next we call upon Nehru. He has dressed as a Nehru in Republic Day function. Next we call upon Sugendra. He has dressed as an army man in Republic. Next Sajid Rahman of LKG, dressed as a policeman. Next, Kudiyarasu of LKG in Republic Day function. Kudiyarasu தினவிழாவில் குடியரசு பிறந்திருக்காமா. அதுதான் பிறந்தநாள் அவன். அதனால பேர் வந்து குடியரசு வச்சிருக்காங்க. Next I call up Next I call upon Godson. Godson Apis. He has dressed as an Ambedkar in Republic Day function. Next I call upon Krishna Baran. Next I call upon Mohammad Gaush Basha of UKG. Next, GS Shanvik of UKG, studying in TSL Matriculation School. Next, I call upon Annie Market of UKG, dressed as a Bhagat Singh, Annie Market of UKG. Next I call upon Disavana. She has dressed as a Ambedkar in Republic Day function. Disavana of UKG. Next I call upon Ritanika. Ritanika of UKG. Ritanika, she has dressed as a Mahakavi Bharatiyar in Republic Day function. Roshini. Next I call upon Roshini parent. Sangeeta. She has dressed as a lotus, our national flower. Next I call upon Sangeeta of UKG. She was dressed as a lotus. Next I call upon Tiviksha of UKG. Thank you, brother.